Where is she? Is she here? Or is she back? Let's clear this up. Where is Sarah? I can't see her face. She has gone to London. She's in another place.
She is there now, she isn't here.
But look at Michael drinking a beer. He has been to London, he's back again. He has seen the tower and the heavy rain. She has gone,
She's away,
he has been.
he's back today.
Gone means going and staying there. Been means visiting everywhere. Have you been to Paris? Yes, I have. Has he gone to school? Yes, he has left. My parents have gone to Italy for a week.
The house is empty, so to speak.
I have been to Italy 3 times before. I'm here.
Here right now, walking through the door.
Where have you been? I've been to the shop. Where has he gone? He's gone to the top. She has gone,
She's away,
he has been.
he's back today.
Gone means going and staying there. Been means visiting everywhere. Have you been to Paris? Yes, I have. Has he gone to school? Yes, he has left. Gone is a one-way ticket.
Bye bye,
Then is a return ticket.
welcome back.
She's gone,
Absent.
she's been.
Experience.
I've been there, done that. She has gone away, but she'll come back one day. Gone and been.